Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by granting microphone permission and choosing the right input. This is crucial so measurements are accurate. Once done, pick the calibrated external mic if you have one, otherwise use the phone mic and note its limitations. Make sure to select A weighting for general sound or C weighting for low-frequency emphasis. This choice affects how the app interprets levels. Begin a live reading immediately, so you can observe SPL swings and confirm the app is receiving signal. You'll now configure measurement parameters to capture meaningful data. Set the response time to fast for transient sounds or slow for smoother readings, and use select to log average exposure. Once configured, enable max, min, and peak hold so you can see extremes while recording. Make sure to turn on the real-time graph and spectrum view to visualize frequencies. This helps identify tonal sources. While recording, watch the meters and annotate key events for later analysis. Finish by saving your session with a clear name and notes so you can recall context later. Timestamps are useful for reports. Once saved, export CSV for numeric analysis or export images of the graph for quick sharing. If readings look wrong, first check permissions and mic selection, then recalibrate using a known source or restart the app to clear transient errors. If problems persist, try a different microphone or reboot the phone. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.